You can hear the chugga chugga of the train. We just left Glenfinnan. And now we're just sitting relaxing. Hi Grandma. Say hi everybody. Hi Veronica. Hi Pauline. Hi Tony. Hi Emily. Hi William. Who else isn't here? That beautiful scenery. I can't even see it. It's too bright. There it is. Hi Lindsay. Hi Christian. Hi Heather. Chugga 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 chugga. Listen to that. Chugga chugga chugga. Madeline's Dream Train. All about Harry Potter. What a nice sound, isn't it? Chugga 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 chugga. What's that? Oh? Piece of history. Carbon. Ooh, we're speeding up now. Theo just loves this. Wait till we tell him in a few years where he was, right? When you're reading him Harry Potter to go to sleep to.
He's giving me thumbs up.
Hey,
He's giving us a thumbs up.
I'm so glad you approved, Theo. Matthew being silly, as Matthew can. Who taught you that one? Alex is up there getting good shots from the front of the train. See you later, bye. Zan and Emily are back there, and there's Ella sitting over there. I don't know if I get a picture. Zan and Emily are back here as well. And there's me. Goodbye.